Good afternoon and welcome. I want to start today's remark by expressing my gratitude to our development partners, the World Bank, African Development Bank, GIZ, the international community at large for supporting this project to completion. You have shared our vision as a government that the lack of accessible, reliable, affordable electricity is a constraint to economic development and, of course, national development. The lessons from developing economies is simple. More electricity means more economic activity, better jobs, more profitable private capital investment, increased manufacturing and technological capacity, increased food production, more innovation, better healthcare and education, greater use of telecommunication, and better quality of life for the population. So for us as a government, more energy, especially sustainable and affordable energy, sits well with our country's development needs and our development agenda. Energy is indeed a critical cross-enabler and a critical driver of development. We are therefore eager to use the network to attract investment in small-scale manufacturing, agriculture, the service sector, and other small and medium-sized enterprises that enhance the value chain in diverse areas of the country. My government has put in place a number of incentives for private companies that seek to locate to rural peri-urban areas. The availability of electricity, the availability of land, the availability of skilled and educated youthful population in Kenema and Bo, we think will make that decision easier for private investors. We'll also continue to work with our partners to further open up the energy sector to more investment in areas of energy generation, transmission, distribution, and in energy-related sector. Let me thank the team from Transco, CLSG, CI Energies, the Ministry of Energy, the Ministry of Finance, ETSA, EGTC for working so hard to make this day possible. We owe you a debt of gratitude for working really hard to ensure today's milestone event. Thank you all. That is so far what I've done in English. I want for can talk to now in Creole and maybe in Mende. Where were away? Where in there were? I then I have for blue mind to some of you for say we are the elect leader them, but we are not sabi we are leader them. Good deal get pie ma jifa uko egura nyava. Get pie ma ajifa say ngwe woman to hamming wefa to nyandengo iyena owe digromi uambe. Anything where concern development is not as simplistic as people think. When they say power, no, they say that for go bring generator, they light and no more, you get power. For produce light means a lot of things. You generate them, you transmit them, you distribute them, then you also collect. So man they get lights, they no one pay. So I want for use this opportunity. Not the government they pay the lights where you they use, now you host. Now you they pay for that light today. So what we don't make the light available, now we not get for the make sure say, not allow person for can bypass your meter and connect you. You're going to commit a big crime. Not fidget, not allow anybody for fidget your meter, you're going to commit a big crime. Now for make sure say, wait till your meter say, you consume. Now that's it for pay. Now that make it for make sure say, now una they can't get 24-hour light. It go only go off where you not pay. It go only go off where you bob go off. Or where you pocket not empty. So that means say we not get to be responsible as how we they use the power. You want give light is attire or halfway for fuelia. You what here you we pay a pocket man day. So now the light don't come. Una a day for una use. And not for just light them. Plenty thing in there what we call productive use of electricity. Now that make we actually the brand can to this end of the country for make sure say people they use them not only for provide simple light but for make them able earn something by using electricity. So again, this is an opportunity. Again, most of the companies that we want for can set up now, the first requirement now affordable and reliable energy supply. Now, Kenima, we can both say when I don't get affordable and reliable energy supply. So ahead of other parts, big parts of the country, when I don't get energy supply, where they go on 24 hours. So, Geriwa Unya Yema, when I get for withdraw some of them, yes. Lamuma Lamango. No, Nyali Lengwe Chunga Leblawe. We've been promised several things there. Nongowa ulema flow. You are by your cottage, you elang voima. Bawo fufre me maha. Ena ha miuma moti agba tegilia. Jana bele mana na gbomugo bo. Gende kiakiana. Na gbomugo fi bo, ulema be. Wa tun pe batema keni matego. To nya school pa ovema ulenge sa peva ti ma school. Ka mangi buku isa ya tifa. Igbiana Kenny Matego, the rural electrification mini grids, and then are several other towns there at this district and other places there. These are signs of progress. We are moving. We've been on late for so long. Today, in 4 years, by April, the accomplishment that we don't get, it not ever happen at this country. But because we have been deprived for too long, we know they appreciate most of them in there. And no national development project know they come about very easily. 1 month, 2 months, 1 year. Forget this project this way. As Mr. Sheriff been telling now, the Transcorp man, it has now we are the first country because I've made special effort. I get for saying me vice president for go meet the president of Cote d'Ivoire. I tell and say, I know say you don't run all cable, but this December, yeah, I want many young people that get that power there. Until I get telephone there, when I check if this power don't reach other side there, who side the cable don't pass. No. You know come on it. Now only inside salon. That because of the special effort they make. But like as honorable be they say, now they go mumangwe. Gegena you can pay man be they ponye na you can ubonye mala. Mungo veyo. You kuna ewe ma jimu ya mama pindi let be ana flow. Because dribe iyali ma school iyali ma groma bu bidia nga maketa mahinde madi hoima kama pe imadi hoimo ken genga na ya wapi ndo ejiu ndabe mu ma lamango mu gbe mu yeva Politics is better. Kenyanga we politics flavor. Be yakawe. Bindi benga joko tejun. What be our nyava? So nyanga politics play Kenima. Do call Kenima. Kailan. Bo. Tianya man nema thank today. So Akanja na here. Ito yaya ma here. Bengu wa ongu pe kanja iwana. Ngi amangendo giwe ya we. So go ajam. Go be now we pe penebo we are light power so that light here na. Jepegboto yejima. Gajima miyawa muma. Makanja. Kanja say they say we then go talk say in the worker with power bank. They say will be the laugh. I say me na one way laugh say I not be no waiting for. Why? Because they say me Minister of Energy the worker with power bank. I tell them I say yes. I get for be assured of power just in case I need for charge my phone. They get for make sure say plug not near me with power bank day. I say now efficiency na they lead to that. They make sure say you get portable power. That is why how we end up that one day. So today, again at the talk anything from independence, we see how this Kenima, it been tar, it been get light, it been get water, all don't go. It not go come overnight. It is not a political promise, it is a basic necessity we will need. And we should not play politics with that. Whether you voted for me or not, Cambia not vote for me, they give them electricity. Kabbalah, we they give them. We they give them even a Makeni. But Bombali, interestingly, I had over 22,000 votes. In the second round, yes, we're not in that one day. The Sierra Leone People's Party is a national party. And we have enclaves everywhere. I'm very proud of that. 22,000, that is a whole constituency or more. And so, I want for Mekuna know say, national projects are never simplistic. The member of parliament said when this thing starts, it's not easy. Forget this slide today. I had to move the vice president. We have our brothers and sisters from Cote d'Ivoire. Now the president ordered them, say, when I grab, this man say, he want light for him people there before Christmas. That's why they are here. They should be with their families for Christmas. So they get for rush now, for go back. So this is what we do. This is the new direction. Now this make me special also. I've been telling I say Papa Salungo better also. When we not begin see it. From a will my ponyen away, I will laser go on. On that note, I want to go give you a kanja now. Now that no mommy want to do it. Let me go back. Thank you.
So, no, go no, boss.
Thank you. Una say una day. Security una make sure people stay where they are. For Lagos, switch on the light. His Excellency,
Now the president is heading for go switch on the light.
Ministers,
All right, move forward. Let's just move. Excuse me. No, even the media will too plenty. Everybody. Yes, that's it.
Now they see the power station. Now the president can switch the lights. So they see the light already there at the place. Now the president can switch it on.
So it sits at 5.
Yes. Now the president can say now the control room. We can switch the lights on. What a great day for the people of Kenema and Bo.
Let's move. Jim, I can hold the massive.
President, Minister of Energy, Kanja Fuse, and the First Lady, all there to switch the lights on. Very historical.
Sound and that will call any nobody should find it according to that's when this person switch on the lights, there will be a sound. Well, let's hear the sound. It's the center button. Yeah. Yes. The sound is louder.
Now we can go na Kenema substation.